Hello everybody and welcome to today's video, and today we're going to do rope desensitization with an unbroke horse just to get her ready for it. Now she's already seen it a little bit when I picked it up and she was very curious. I'm going to let her put her nose on it. That's really good. Now I'm going to move her over here so you can see this part of the process. Alright, next we're going to start touching her with it. Good girl. Good girl. See, she's taking a look at it. I'll let her smell it. I'm going to take it off of her because that was awesome. I'm going to make her yield over here. What we do on one side, we do on the other. So, of course, introduce it to her over here. Let her smell it. Let me move it up around her. Over her hindquarters. Down along her legs. Under her belly. Really good. Very pleased. I'm just going to put her lead rope over top of her there so she can feel that as well. I'm not really going to do anything with it. I just want her to feel some extra stuff around her. And I'm going to start to move the rope back and forth. Let her smell it. She honestly could care less at this point. But I'm going to get her to the point where she can actually see me. So I'm going to rope my target. Move it around. Now that got a little bit more of a reaction. Want her to smell it. Want her to touch it. Now this is the part that shows where if they're going to freak out or not. It's pulling the cone. Now if I would have had a saddle on her, I could get her used to this, but I'm going to put this up around her neck. She freaks out, she can take off, but I'm going to get her to back while she sees this rope tighten up. Ready? Back, back. Keep on backing, keep on backing. I want her to see that rope. Good job. Well, I honestly expected she might freak out a little bit more than she has done. But she's been taking just everything that we've done really, really well. And her desensitization is working out really well. Like I said, I just let her rope, kind of started ground tying. I'm gonna move it up and above her. If I hit her with it, she doesn't care. That's awesome. I'm really, really proud of her. So you don't have to be good with a rope to desensitize your horse to a rope. It's always a good idea to see how they're going to react to it. The more you're exposing to now means the less that you'll have to worry about later. Thank you so much for joining us on today's video. And if you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you want to see more rope training videos, check out our roping horse training playlist.